Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Zendesk. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically create support tickets in Zendesk directly from your Jotform submissions, streamlining your customer service workflow and ensuring no request falls through the cracks. To get started, head over to jotform.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Jotform dashboard with all your forms and account options. Now, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll find various menu items. Look for and click on Integrations. This section is where Jotform really shines, offering connections to hundreds of different apps and services that can enhance your form's functionality. When the integrations page loads, you'll see a selection of popular integrations displayed up front. However, since we're looking for something specific, go ahead and click on See More. This expands the full catalog of available integrations, giving you access to the complete library of apps you can connect with Jotform. In the search bar that appears, type Zendesk and hit Enter. Once the results populate, click on the Zendesk integration option. This will take you to the integration page where you can begin the setup process. You'll see detailed information about what this integration does and how it can benefit your workflow. On the Zendesk integration page, locate and click the Add to Form button. This initiates the connection process. At this point, you'll be presented with three options for how you want to proceed: create a form, select form, or use template. Each option serves a different purpose depending on whether you're starting fresh or working with existing forms. For this tutorial, we'll choose select form since most users already have forms they want to connect. Click on that option and you'll see a list of all your existing Jotform forms appear. Browse through and choose the form you want to integrate with Zendesk by clicking on it. Now comes the crucial part where you'll connect your Zendesk account. You'll need to input your Zendesk subdomain. To find this, open your Zendesk account in another tab and look at the URL in your browser's address bar. Your subdomain is the first part of the URL before zendesk.com. Simply copy that subdomain text and paste it into the field in Jotform, then click Add. This establishes the connection between your Jotform account and your Zendesk workspace. Next, you'll need to configure how your tickets will appear in Zendesk. Input a ticket subject that will help you identify tickets created from this form. Then, write a ticket description that provides context about the submission. These fields are important because they determine how your support team will see incoming requests in Zendesk. Once you've filled in both the subject and description fields, click Save. This stores your ticket configuration settings. You'll then see another Save button appear. Go ahead and click Save again to confirm all your integration settings. This double save ensures that both your ticket template and integration connection are properly stored. Finally, click Finish to complete the integration setup. Your Jotform is now successfully connected to Zendesk, and any submissions will automatically create support tickets in your Zendesk account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.